Alright, here at Advanced Perio, we try to use the latest and greatest technologies to make our patient care as good as it can possibly be. We have 3D printers that we utilize to help with many aspects of our practice. This is a Sprint Ray 3D printer specifically made for dentistry. It's really the best 3D printer right now for the dental environment. And we fill this tray with some resin, and then what happens is this motor lowers this platform into the resin. Light is shot at the platform and it gradually backs out, creating a 3D model. An example of a 3D model that's been printed, this is actually my mouth that I printed. You can see what a 3D model would look like in our office. And then we can use this to design various parts and pieces for your dental care. One of the most common things that we might do is design something called a surgical guide. This is a surgical guide. Surgical guides guide implant placement very precisely. So they have little holes drilled into them. This would snap onto your teeth, and we would place an implant through one of these holes, and the holes help guide it so that we pre-plan everything in advance and then place it very precisely at the time of your surgery. You don't spend extra time checking the angulation and depth because it's all pre-planned, so it makes your surgery very fast, very efficient, and very precise. The other parts of it here, we have something called our wash-dry unit, because when the resin comes out of the 3D printer, we have to wash off the excess resin, and then we have a Pro-Cure 2 here, which is the way that we can quickly cure our 3D prints to get really solid models that are very, very accurate. So here's another example of one of those.